Need the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Waters Park area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's Waters Park area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Waters Park service. Complete auto body quotes. If you own a BMW, or any other vehicle for that issue, it is given at conclusion that it resembles your baby. Which is why, you require to take proper treatment by seeking the best feasible BMW vehicle body solutions in case of emergency situations like an accident, which is becoming exceedingly common nowadays. There might be numerous body stores situated in your city, but how can you be sure that a particular BMW body store is one of the most suitable for your vehicle? You require to see to it that the BMW vehicle body store that you have actually chosen will certainly analyze the damages and then execute a professional job so that your vehicle is back fit quickly. Certainly, the moment for fixings relies on the extent of damages, but even so a respectable facility will certainly constantly give a period. Contrasting your choices when you see that there is a damage and a couple of scrapes on your vehicle, allow us consider a small accident. Many people make the mistake that any damages to the body of their BMW is just aesthetic and will certainly simply mar the physical look. However, body damages might go deeper and cause countless issues with your vehicle. The BMW body store of your finding have to have certified professionals aboard that can manage such repair. Invest some time researching the various companies and then contrast options so that you find the appropriate professional that can not just recover your vehicle's physical look but also take care of various other issues like damages to essential components like your vehicle's frame. The professionals in the BMW body store need to be familiar in working with the model you own. Make certain that you check on specialized equipment like frame straighteners, and see to it that your vehicle's underlying damages can be fixed effectively too. You can easily check online about a particular shop's online reputation. Figure out if any issues have actually been made versus them, and if so, how they have actually been taken care of. Verify if the establishment is licensed, guaranteed, and bonded. Keep in mind that body fixings can be expensive in case of a BMW, but also after that there suffice facilities that give good quality solutions at practical prices. To find places like these, you have to be a little person and begin seeking them immediately. Shop around so that you obtain estimates from 2 to 3 places and thus you can strike a good deal. Do not resolve. The BMW vehicle body store that you select will certainly be responsible on how your baby looks after they have actually finished their job. Do not compromise on quality, which is why you should not choose any facility till you obtain your research done and find a place that supplies you quality solutions at budget-friendly prices. Body repair service near my home for Round Rock, Texas Waters Park. Check out a local auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Waters Park area to get your vehicle back on the road now. Thanks for checking out Auto Body Shop in Round Rock, Waters Park. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.